Hey guys, it's Devin, and welcome to Navigating Gang Resistance, Building Strong Families. Today we're going to explore the power of choices, especially when it comes to gangs and gang involvement. Gangs often prey on vulnerable individuals, but with the right skills, you can take control of your future. This module will teach you how to navigate and practice gang resistance, build resilience, and make choices that align with your goals and keep you safe. Gangs might seem like a way to belong, but they often come with more risks than benefits. Most gangs rigorously recruit members with force or other intimidating tactics, such as threatening to harm your family members. I figured I'd switch it up and take away the pictures and the words and speak to you one-on-one. However, if you try and leave a gang and someone tries to stop you from doing so, it may also be a felony that could lead to substantial penalties if convicted. Did you know that if anyone attempts to recruit you into their gang on school premises or public property adjacent to a school, it could constitute a felony in some states? Interesting. Gangs do a lot of their recruitment online and carry out their activities on social media. This is a process called cyberbanging. A lot of young boys and men join gangs for a lot of different reasons. Some is because they want to get that money, power, and respect. They also want to have like a family, a brotherhood that they don't really have at home. Also, sometimes they provide protection from them, due to other gangs, because sometimes if you're not in a gang, other gangs who recruit you and you don't want to join, they might beat you up. So it's kind of like you need to join a gang to be protected. It's like walking a dangerous path. Getting involved with gangs can affect your education, mental health, safety of family members, relationships, and even your freedom. It's not really worth it. Also, did you know that crimes associated with gangs can carry heavier punishments than if a single individual committed them? I know y'all tired of looking at my face, so let me get back to the pictures and words. Let's go. It's important to know the stakes. Sometimes it can be hard or even deadly to leave a gang once you join. Let's explore the negative effects and risks associated with gangs and gang involvement. Understanding the dangers that gangs represent is the first step towards building strategies to overcome them. Although it might be hard to do or feel unsafe, there is strength in choosing a safer path and brighter future for yourself. Let's explore 10 common sense strategies you can use to refuse and avoid joining a crew or gang. Hey guys, it's me again. And at number 1, stay informed. Know the risks associated with gangs that we talked about earlier in this video. Do not accept offers, favors, or promises from a gang member in person or online that might seem too good to be true. Be aware of the gangs that are near you and which hotspots to avoid. Know the gang signs, symbols, colors, and clothing, and avoid emulating their behaviors like throwing up signs or wearing their clothing. Even if you think it's a joke, they might not think that, and they might try and recruit you, and it might go bad from there. Rule number 2, rely on positive role models. It's helpful to seek guidance from positive role models and mentorship programs that offer support, guidance, and opportunities for social and economic advancement. Some programs are, Urban Male Network, Becoming a Man. We have a lot of programs out there that you can use. It's not just up to the police to deal with gangs. You can turn to trusted people in schools, churches, community centers, and service organizations to get advice on how to avoid gang activity. Rule number 3, education is one ticket to safety. Focusing on your studies or career advancement can reduce the likelihood of gang involvement. However, gang recruitment can still take place within schools. Rule number 4, community programs can help. Engage in activities that promote your personal growth and that distract you from risky behaviors. Participate in local or online programs focusing on building social skills, enhancing communication, and fostering healthy relationships to reduce susceptibility to gang influence. Rule number 5 is future goals. Keep your eyes on your dreams and aspirations. Gangs may provide temporary relief, but in the long term, it can cost you the rest of your life. Rule number 6 is job opportunities. Explore vocational and skill building programs that can provide you with a steady income you can be proud of. Rule number 7, inform a reputable and trusted person. Inform family, anti-gang groups, school resource officers, if safe, or someone who can negotiate on your behalf, protect you, and give advice on what to do. Rule number 8, cultivate hobbies. Pursue interests that bring you joy and fulfillment. This can be sports, arts, civic activities, and advocacy for local issues to create a sense of purpose and belonging. Number 9, use support networks. Surround yourself with a positive circle of friends and resources that support your goals and reinforce your values. Last but not least, rule number 10, always remember, you're in control of your choices, and these choices should serve a goal or value you have set for yourself. Only you can decide what is in your best interest. By making positive choices, you're shaping a future full of opportunities. Stay strong, stay focused, and build the life that you deserve. Keep navigating those choices, and remember your future is bright. Man, super bright. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to the BrotherlyACT channel. Peace.